Thank you very much. That takes us to our last keynote of the evening, which is by Robert Kehaya, CEO and founder of ComedyVerse, and he's going to be discussing the convergence of comedy and Web3 technologies. Looking forward to this one. Hoping it's funny.
Hey everybody, my name is Rob Kehaya. I'm the CEO and founder of ComedyVerse, and we are the Comedy Central of the Metaverse. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about myself. I'm also going to talk a little bit about why I have this passion for comedy. And then I'm going to tell you a little bit about why I think the convergence of comedy and Web3 is important, and the problem that we're trying to solve in this space, and the technologies that we're bringing to bear to solve that problem. So to tell you a little bit about myself, I'm a serial entrepreneur. I've got a master's from Duke. I started my first company when I was 25. Today I operate and own a chain of retail, vape, CBD, and cannabis stores in North Carolina, and in California I am a venture capitalist and management consultant. So recently I acquired a stake in a company called Proto-Hologram, and that was really the inspiration behind this project, because we're the first live holographic entertainment platform. They do volumetric displays in a unit that you're going to see on my presentation here. Also, there's a mini unit that can go in the home. And basically, it live beams holograms around the world in wherever these units are located. And it's also capable of having pre-recorded content that we can enable with AI technology. And it gave me this idea of seeing comedians tell jokes in the home as NFTs. And from there, I started investigating Web3, and I came up with this idea for the ComedyVerse. So today, there's a major problem in comedy. The biggest problem that we can solve is the fact that comedians and comedy clubs have seen a 40% decline in revenue due to the pandemic. Meanwhile, consumers are looking for more and better ways to engage with content than ever before, and that's where Web3 comes in. And the comedy market is actually really fragmented, and comedians and comedic artists, they need more opportunity to make money and reach an audience that is really fragmented than ever before. And we're going to use our technology and our content and our A-list celebrities to bring all of that audience under one roof. So we're giving laughter an upgrade. We're upgrading it with AI-enabled holographic NFTs. We're using AR. We're also going to be using VR to create immersive environments and fan engagement that will be live. So this means that people are going to be able to interact with our live events in comedy clubs around the world, and also in the metaverse. More than that, we're also going to be creating a token that can be staked and used to finance comedic artists, and really use blockchain to level up the playing field for comedians. Because right now, if you're a comedian, you get on stage, and you really don't get the lion's share of the money. And so we want to change that through blockchain. So using smart contracts, we're going to be removing the friction in the comedic space. We're going to be helping comedians really own their work, both through NFTs. We're already really excited about the A-list comedians that we're going to be bringing on board, some real icons that we're going to be announcing very, very soon. And we're also going to be, like I said, building this ecosystem that's going to deliver really unique, immersive experiences. Like I said, we're starting with comedians, but we're also going to be growing to things like Adult Swim, immersive games, and cartoons. So our target markets, NFTs, obviously a massive $40 billion industry in 2020. Comedy in 2016 was a $40 billion industry. Games at $220 billion, crypto at $1.9 trillion, and merchandise, which is going to be a key part of our ecosystem, at $3.1 billion. Really excited about what we're doing with merch. It's going to be unlocking features and experiences for our NFT holders. So if you buy the hats and the shoes and the shirts from our live events, you'll get more jokes out of the NFTs that you buy. So this is how we make money. We have ticket sales, NFT and merch sales, sponsorships, and partnerships. We're working already, like I said, with some of the most recognizable comedians and groups around the world. We have strategic relationships in place with CAA that are going to really set us up for success and allow some really rapid growth. This is Proto-Hologram. This is the example of the Epic unit, which is capable of live broadcasting volumetric, visions of people. Think Star Trek in real life, the holodeck. We're using this technology, which also comes with a smaller version for in-home, to create AI-enabled NFTs that you'll be able to interact with. Really exciting tech. Go to Proto-Hologram on Instagram, and you can see how it all works. So some of the key features, as I've mentioned a couple of times, hologram NFTs, communication and interaction between brands, fans, and groups and artists, immersive AR and VR experiences, the ability to watch together, ability to earn money, earn tokens through referral income, watch to earn and play to earn. We're doing live broadcasting and also analytics to empower our fans, our brands, and our artists. We're also going to be using DeFi in a really unique way. So obviously, by consolidating this industry, we're creating an opportunity for new artists to get discovered and for the community to fund those artists so that we can then build an entire universe of opportunity around them. And as I said, really excited about the way that we're going to be applying real-world merchandise to unlock more features in the NFTs that we create. So we're launching an ecosystem. It's going to involve NFTs, tickets, merchandise, and tokens. The tokens are going to be designed to incentivize holders and create reward systems that really grow our ecosystem and our content and our audience in a viral way. And we're doing this all with a world-class team. Everyone on our team is a highly experienced entrepreneur, technologist, venture capitalist, operator, Web3 specialist. We really have everything that we need. Also, we've got some pretty great things going on back in LA where I'm from. We have a 18,000 square foot facility with a production facility in it. Really great space on a rooftop for red carpet events. We've got a shared office space with Will Smith in Calabasas. So we're really in touch with everyone that we need to be in touch with to make this successful. Obviously, we were founded in February. We've recently completed our white paper. We're getting ready to announce our first 2 to 3 iconic comedic artists that are partnering with us to make this a real success. We're in the process of securing some blockchain partnerships. And as soon as we do that and we get everything built out, we're going to launch our first campaign around AI interactive NFTs where you're going to be able to prompt this hologram and it's going to tell you jokes. So we really think that's an innovative way for us to go to market. After that, we're going to launch our first live and virtual events. We're going to sign up our top 200 comedians. And then we're going to acquire IP rights to our first cartoon catalogs. I'm really excited about that because that's going to really bring attention to our creator marketplace, enable us to launch a game that I think will be really unique in 2023 as one of the first comedic-focused play-to-earn games in the market. So with that, I'm really grateful to be here today. Thank you guys so much for your time. Happy to be in Dubai. And if you have any questions or want to talk, please feel free to reach out.